In this video, you'll learn how to add product pricing on Stan Store. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to set prices for your products effectively. Begin by navigating to your Stan Store dashboard. On the left sidebar, look for the option labeled My Store and click on it. This action will take you to the section where you can manage your products. Once you're in the My Store section, you will see a list of your current products. To add a new product, locate the button that says plus add product and click on it. If you want to edit an existing product, simply click on the product you wish to modify. In the product setup interface, look for the field labeled price. This is where you will enter the pricing information for your product. Take a moment to consider your pricing strategy, ensuring that it reflects the value of your product while being competitive in the market. After entering your desired price in the price field, look for the button that says Save or Publish. Click this button to confirm your changes. It is important to verify that the price you entered is correct before saving, as customers will see this price on your product page. Upon clicking Save or Publish, you may see a confirmation message indicating that your changes have been successfully saved. This means that the new price will now be visible to customers on the product page. Make sure to check the product page to confirm that the pricing displays as intended. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.